Jonah, what is that? What is that? What is that? Is that a Lego tower? What is it? A Lego tower? Whoa, it's really tall. What do you do with a Lego tower? Okay. What do you do with it? Oh! More. It was fun, right? Joan.